You have to have a wide angle lens. What is that? A couple of drops?
Oh, he didn't get the stuff off. That's mine. You can get the lizard poop off. Stop, it's videoing. You could be in it. If you think you're not gonna be in it, you're out of your mind.
I'm not.
Yeah, you will.
You think I should wash my hair before I go to the barber?
It's not gonna be dry. I think it'll be fine. Let's get some food while we're out.
Ow. Where are we going?
Oh, I thought you were getting a haircut today.
Oh.
Or trying to. Oh God. Where are we going today?
Sa likod mo na save more. Get a haircut. Really expensive.
I'm gonna put music over this and act like you're explaining
Cameras.
something else to me.
Yeah. So.
It's a video.
Oh.
We're trying to find the barber shop for him to get his hair cut. We had to check on the second floor of the mall. It wasn't there, so now we're on the first floor looking for it.
What's the other one, man?
Ayala? Maybe
But
you
it said
should
it was
Google
here.
it. Maybe you
Said it
should
was
Google it again though.
Let's go the other way.
Done. So apparently the barbershop moved to one of the other malls in the area, so now we have to walk there, which is crazy because we actually started out walking right through the parking lot of that mall, but they never updated online to where they moved to. So off we go. Look at that handsome boy. Oh my God. Okay though, what are we wanting? Are you hungry? Okay, so you just want to put it all into the cabbage wraps. I can dice the potatoes like I did last time and fry them up like that. And then you can have a layer of mayonnaise sriracha with some of the diced potatoes,
Are we gonna cook the corned beef?
and the rice. So basically corned beef rice tacos.
Okay.
Okay, sounds good.